Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again, bringing another Lost Sword content. In this video, there's some bit of like a debacle, a problem with regards to again the collaboration at the moment. We're celebrating the first ever collaboration, Senran Kagura. Asuka is there, but the problem is the limited character Hikage is not around. And I will give you an update on why is that. So let's talk about that stuff right now. Let's just go here. So let's talk about that one in Discord. They are very communicative, unfortunately. Like people were telling me, right? I made a video yesterday that I was talking about like they might be late. They were late to announce the drop on when the collaboration will happen on the drop. So it's technically March 5 that people were telling there might be some problems arising on this, which it did. And I don't wish that there would be a problem, but like usually if the devs especially in this game, Lost Sword, if they make a boo boo, they give away a very hefty or a heavy amount of again characters or selectors, which I do really love. Okay, sometimes I do want them to have some problems so that they can give us a very big incentive and then fix it on the fly, which they really do. They're very fast at fixing stuff. So we will talk about this one, and it's quite big in a way. So notice schedule change for new collaboration character release. Okay, we would like to inform you regarding the pickup summon for the collaboration character Hikage, which was scheduled for today. So she was about to be scheduled today. Because the celebration or the drop is today. Problem is there's no character. So during the update preparation process, we identified an issue where certain visual resources were not displayed properly on specific resolutions. Is she super ultra nude or whatnot? We don't know. she's maybe she's like only on pixels, the sensor pixels maybe. However, applying this fix requires store review approval. Oh my god. So like it's like they've accidentally put on the NSFW assets in a way instead of the SFW like um you know version that you can be accepted in the store. So see, however, applying this to fix requires store review approval, and we confirmed that the review process will take some time to complete, but we don't know when would that be. As a result, we have determined that it will be difficult to correct and apply the fix during today's maintenance. Therefore, please note that the release of the pickup summon collaboration was not scheduled on this update. So we don't know when would that be. So hopefully the devs will give us an update on what's gonna be coming up on when she's dropping, because they need approval from the stores, like the iOS store and then the Android store, because we know for a fact that Lost Sword is somewhat of like we love our fan service. It's like it's huge fan service. And what they did, guys, it's like you don't need your RNG to work. Okay, they're giving away Hikage. You don't even need to pull. They're giving you a fucking one character. A freaking one. Sorry for my word, okay? I'm just happy they're giving us one character. And that one character saves us from like, maybe if your RNG is bad, it will save you for like 20,000 pulls. Okay? Or 24,000 pulls, because it's 2,000 per 10 pull, and you need at least 120 for a character to be to for the hard pity. So it saves you 24,000 gems. Okay? It's as if they're giving away 24,000 gems. And to show you what's happening right now, okay? So we'll go to the game, right? We'll go to the game. We'll go to the game itself. Okay. Let's Lost Sword. Okay. Let's go to the game. Okay? So if you go to the summons, she's not there. Okay, Anessa, as per the schedule, Anessa, Isabel, and Lisa is still there. There's like 14 days. Anessa and Isabel are there technically. And then Lisa is going and everybody's going. But there's no sign of Hikage. Okay, there's no sign of Hikage in the background, unfortunately. So even though it's unfortunate, they're giving away Hikage for free, so you don't need to worry about it. In the season pass, click the season pass, you'll be getting Asuka, not Akane. You activate it for 1 gold, okay? And then you get her for free. You get her for free. Okay, you just need to clear the missions and everything else. Okay, you need to just like clear it. You're gonna be claiming it. You need to level it up. So the mission info is just like clear the stage, the event stages, and then you will get her and get the pet as well. Okay, so which is really good. Max out, and then that's technically what is the free that they're giving away. There's a sword like and then after that there's gonna be a typical giveaways, spring celebration, extended maintenance, and again the new Black Goddess constellation from the previous Goddess constellation. Okay, so there's the Galaxy Essence. Also your when you go to the events, right? So this is the same as events. So you just go enter that, and then you'll get rewards on that. And then when you go enter this, you'll get a fortune coin to exchange. So technically, that's the thing that we have in the collaboration. So problem is right now that Hikage is not around. We're still up in the air on where when are we getting her. But like that's technically the gist of what's going on. So despite that, at least they're giving away when Hikage comes. They're giving us one free Hikage. So and then we're just like summoning for, we only need, if you want to T5 the character, you only need 5 copies. You don't want to awaken her. I know it's a collaboration, but like I'm not gonna be awakening her. I just want her to be a T5. But like yeah, that's technically the lowdown. If you're looking for the character, she's not there. Comment down below what do you think about this, and what do you think about the compensation, and what do you think about when are they releasing it. I just hope, because of what's going on right now, it's kind of crazy in the gacha scene we're in. I think Snowbreak has opened up the Pandora's box. Uh, like I'm not quite sure with like there's kinds of like debacle happening in Snowbreak. They collaborated with the China Post, and we know for a fact that again a gacha game, especially a Gunner gacha game, we call like again the fan servicey ones. It needs to be. I feel like it needs to be in a certain bubble. You can't be going up too near to the sun, and you will be open to the public eye. And if you see what you do out like inside your house, or like whatever is your business inside your house, or whatever you do, it's what you do. Okay, as long as it's okay. Like if you like fan service and stuff, and like if you want to goon, it's all up to you. But like if you show it publicly, people will not take it as a gospel. Okay, people will say, "Oh, this is not right. This is not right." The problem is the one who's calling it out are the people playing Love in Deep Space. We're in, they're also Gunner. I don't know why they might be envious of Snowbreak's popularity, but like it's getting kind of wild with regards to the censorship kind of thing. So hopefully, I didn't go like sorry about I went to a bit of a tangent there because I play Snowbreak as well in the past, and I do appreciate because they're very big in China. It doesn't show in the revenue charts because usually they play it on their PC, okay, PC port or the Snowbreak client, or whatever client that would be, because I feel like Snowbreak is best played on a not on a mobile platform. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Again, this 2000 Gaming. I would like to hear from you guys. Like, thank you for the people who's subscribing to this channel. If you've like recently just seen this, I do really appreciate you guys. I might make a video before I make my thesis paper. And yeah, that's it for me. And this is again 2000 Gaming. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.